I think I injured my foot. Ah. Guys, I am ready to go to an activity that I've wanted to do since long, and I'm walking really slow because this road is really slippery. That's the house I grew up in. We renovated it last year, and it has also been turned into an Airbnb. You can see the house that I grew up in, and you can see my swing there, and that's my house. Hi guys, I don't know if you can hear me because the sound of the water streams are too high here, but today I'm going to do an activity that is really close to my heart because that is what I did during my summer vacations growing up. But since the last 15 years I was not able to be here during this period, so today is finally the day, and I'll show you what it is. So just a little tidbit, growing paddy is very labor intensive, and if you're not a big farmer and say you only have 3-4 acres of hilly terrain for the paddy, what you usually do is, in Nepali it's called par. Par is maybe an English word, but that's a par. Par is when I come to your house to plant paddy, and in return you come to my house to help me plant mine. And that is how you get like 15, 20, 30, 40 people help you plant paddy, and it feeds you for the whole year. These are beans, if you can see them, or if I can show them to you. These are beans.
राजकुमारी आउनु भएको छ यहाँ राजकुमारी
So guys, we've all assembled. There's Ridhima, that's Divas, that's Sahil bhai. Hello one.
हेलो हेलो
So we are all bare feet. I wish I could show you.
फुस्किन्छ हो त्यो
यो फुस्किन्छ
फुस्किन्छ हुँदैन त्यो पनि त्यो पनि फुस्किने नै हो त्यो उयो लगाएको
Excited. Oh.
चली 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 रे साथीभाइ चली रे र के भार पर्छ र टुप्पो चाहिँ है ल
Look guys, one, player 2, player 3, and Ronaldo here. Messi FIFA president को गोदी में. बारी ल
मेसीहरू खेल्नु पाउँदैन
अँ।
हामीले जित्छौँ नि
कति महिना अगाडि राख्नुपर्छ यो बिउ? अँ। So
हुँदैन
paddy seeds are first sown here and then they made into these. So we take this. Look at her. क्या दामी भयो गर्न फेरि फेरि गर्न फेरि गर्न फेरि अँ। ल काटेर दे न So guys, we're ready to plant paddy for the whole year. 1, 2, 3. रितिमालाई हाल्दै अब चाहिँ
लामो भएछ नि यो बिउ है यो पुरै यहाँ अब बिउ मरे हो सबै धारबारी बिउ फ्याँक्ने चाहिँ को अरू बेला त अङ्कल
Hello, Sulululu. Hello, Sulululu.
मैले सिकाएको त फोटो खिच्ने एउटा फोटो खिच्ने फोटो खिच्ने फोटो होइन
खिच्छु फोनबाट खिच्छु नि
कुन चाहिँ
त्यो जो खेतमै आउँदैन उसको कुरा पनि के सुन्नु
त्यही त हामी यहाँ कति काट्नु नजान्नेले नि
त्यही त हजुर
1, 2, 3.
अलिक कम्ती कम्ती उडाउनु न
So guys, now we're finally ready with the paddy saplings. We're going to plant it and we're going to have a lot of fun. So join me. They're asking me to move, so we'll move now. This is a freshwater crab, and we are just going to keep it here. Here.
यहाँ त भाइ अर्पित अर्पित के गर्नुपर्छ भन्नु मलाई पनि भन् यहाँ बस्न
अब दिखा दिएको
देखा इट्स अ
छैन केही सुरु भएको छैन
फ्रेश वाटर crab खुट्टा काटिदिस
एकछिन आए त चबाउँछ
अचारै छैन
अचार छैन हुन्छ नि फ्राई गरेर खाएर मिठो हुन्छ कति अङ्कार मैले खाइन्
अघि आउनु नि भेट्यो भने क्या ताइनु
कस्तो दामी उडायौँ हामीले उयो
खोइ किसान चाहिँ देख्छ
होइन धानको टुप्पी काटेको फुरुरु
भिडियो बनाउनु त्यस्तो होइन नि अब त्यो फ्याउरी अहिले हल्लाएर त कहिले हो
पहिला त कोदालोले मान्छेसँग त खिच्दैछु ठन्डा
अस्ति नै अहिलेको एकदमै हुनुपर्ने नि होइन यतिको बनाउनुपर्छ दिक्क
यत्रै ठिकै छ बनाऊ ल
होइन त्यहाँ त तपाईँको बनाइदिनु होइन दिक्क दिएको त्यही छ त 2000
story time, but when I was really little, like I must have been 9 years or 10-year-old, I used to fight with my mother that no, I'm going to go so paddy, it's my summer vacation, let me do things that I want. But she used to be so scared that a snake might bite me, the rain might give me fever. But I learned, that taught me how to be a rebel early. I started rebelling earlier than most people, so I naturally had more freedom while I was growing up. And while I'm doing this today, I still feel as free, as joyous and as happy as I used to be when I was a kid. Just being close to earth, being close to your community, to see how your food is being made, like the rice that you eat. Every day I'm a rice person, so for me it's spiritual. It's a very spiritual experience through and through. So guys, this is how it's done. The land is tilled, there's water in the land. Now we make it muddy and then we sow the plant. भिडियो खिचौँ न, रिल बनाइदिन्छु नि तिमीहरूको हौ यसबाटै। I hurt my feet here. You can't see, but oh, that's my skin. I hurt my feet. All my power banks, my phone are inside, in the middle of nowhere. So as I said in the start of the video that planting paddy is very labor intensive, but it's also water intensive, so everyone's really happy that it's raining, and it's always auspicious to rain when you're doing it, especially in the month of Asar. So we made the most of it, and coincidentally yesterday I read some article where they were saying that if you get wet in the rain, your cortisol level dropped by 30%. So I was just really happy to be getting wet, because I was actually doing something else and getting wet, and not just getting wet, if you know what I mean. So all in all, it was a lot of fun. It was therapeutic. Yo guys, I hurt my feet, and I jumped on a stone, so that happened, but then it didn't deter me from not doing what I wanted to do. I did it. I did the whole planting, as you can
I think I
see.
injured my foot.
But then after it was all done, I am literally limping every moment, and it's going to take me a while to get okay, for my feet to be fine. But all's well that ends well, because I set out to have a crazy experience planting paddy, because I just love the experience first. Second, I wanted to do it for people to see how it feels, and getting hurt on my feet is also one of the aspects or a challenge of being a farmer. It's not rosy always, so that's there. Guys, I hurt my feet. I hurt my feet. Saturn's asking me to slow down, so. If you like my simple farm life, please subscribe to my channel and watch my videos if you feel like it. If you think I'm a positive influence on you,